ìyẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé kàyéfì lámọ̀mọ̀ níyè o ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Fúlàní tẹ́ da Nàìjíríà láàmú yìí ṣé mo yọ ọ̀rọ̀ ti lágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ àfikọ́ lọ́rọ̀ Elédùmarè kó mọ̀mọ̀ gbá o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Fúlàní ṣé mo yí tán pípù ṣe ṣé mo yọ ọ̀rọ̀ náà wá bọ̀ gbogbo àgbẹ̀ lálẹ̀ Yorùbá ríà tó jẹ́ pé tẹ́ ṣe mí gbìngẹ́ tẹ́ mí gbìn àgbàdo ṣé mo yí náà pípù náà yà bá ní ibi tẹ́ ti ń ṣe ohun ọ̀sìn okòríàn tẹ́dẹ̀ pọ́n síbẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ ìmọ̀jẹ̀mí tí lọ sórí ibẹ̀ ni ìyẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ìmọ̀jẹ̀mí gbà yín lákòókò gbogbo ìyẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé ìjẹ́mi kọ́kọ́ wáyà fi fọ́nrán Fúlàní kan fọ́nrán ó ṣe jáde ìjẹ́mi wáyà fi hàn yín ní tí ọmọkùnrin Fúlàní tẹ́ bá Nàìjíríà sọ kí lè mọ̀ pé àyè mọ̀ tí gbọ̀n pípù jù o bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni nílùú adẹ̀ níjọba ìlú adẹ̀ lọ́ba adẹ̀ níjòyè adẹ̀ níjọba ṣé mọ̀ yí Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè kó mọ̀ já ṣinṣe lórílẹ̀‐èdè ni o ìwáyà gbọ́ fọ́nrán ọmọkùnrin Fúlàní sọ ìwáyà gbọ́ fọ́nrán ọmọkùnrin Fúlàní ṣe gbéṣẹ́ bú gbogbo èèyàn lálẹ̀ Yorùbá ìwáyà gbọ́ wọn ó sọ nínú fọ́nrán.
Hello Nigerians, down Ubanku. They said we are the problem of this country. We and Boko Haram. Kariane. Before we came, there has been problem of bad roads, no light, poor medical supply, and you call us the problem.
ṣé ń wo fọ́nrán bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣé ń ti gbọ́ mi sọ ṣé ń gbọ́ ohun Fúlàní mi sọ ọ̀rọ̀ abẹ́yìn yọ ibi àbá lọ́bẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ abẹ́yìn yọ torí kódà àmọ́ bí ọlọ́kọ̀ wà àmọ́ mọ́ bí wà rè o yéèní tó lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣé rí àrà táwọn Fúlàní mi dá lálẹ̀ Yorùbá yé lágbára gbogbo bọ́n bàbá rẹ̀ bá ṣe gbìn gbàdo tẹ́ ń gbìn gẹ́ tẹ́ ń gbìn nǹkan tẹ́ ń gbìn nǹkan àgbẹ̀ tẹ́ ń gbìn bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ náà Fúlàní náà kó má lù rí ẹwọ bẹ̀ tẹ́ dẹ̀ jẹ́ kan rí ẹ.
Hello Nigerians, down Ubanku. They said we are the problem of this country. We and Boko Haram. Kariane. Before we came, there has been problem of bad roads, no light, poor medical supply, and you call us the problem.
bọ́n ṣe kọ́ màlúù rí ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́gẹ́ tẹ́ jẹ́ gbàdó tẹ́ jẹ gbogbo rẹ̀ lálẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé mọ̀ yí Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè mọ́jà ṣunṣe ni kẹ́nìyàn dẹ́wà láti ìyànnìyàn lúrẹ̀ ohun tí ènìyàn tó jìyà fún ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣàgbẹ́ mọ̀mọ̀ yìí sì tó ni kẹ́nìyàn tó gbìn gbàdó kó tó di pé àgbàdo ń grow kẹ́nìyàn tó gbìn gẹ́ kí n dẹ̀ dédé bọ́ síbẹ̀ lọ́sàn gan láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kan kí àmọ̀lú dẹ́bọ̀ síbẹ̀ kán dé àjẹ gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣé mọ̀ yí ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ti wá dábí pé a kàn níjọba lórílẹ̀-èdè mọ́ torí olúkálùkù kàn ṣe tó wù ní bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni bá a ṣe ní ìyà ajarálù tó ìyà jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù èso owó nílùú ebi pa aráàlú ìyà méjà aráàlú bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ náà kan méjà yá àjẹkú akátá ọmọ ẹ̀kúnnù tẹ́ tún wá wò pé ọ̀nà wo la lè gbégbà tẹ́bí ìṣe ní máa pa tó jẹ́ pé ṣe ní yà àdákọ̀ àgbàdo tẹ́ yà àdákọ̀ ẹ̀gẹ́ tán Fúlàní wá kó mọ̀lú wọbẹ̀ tó di pé ń yà jẹ gbogbo ìtàn ènìyàn ṣe tó di pé ń yà.
You see, huh?
They don't let me rest every day. So they scatter the whole bush.
See, this one a cassava.
Yes, what they call.
See,
If you go inside there,
if you go inside there, now they rush come now. Now that day, they use cutlass begin to cut our people for bush. See, now this one they cut. See the man where they cut. Where they use cutlass cut.
sorry.
The other day, okay, now you reach river that side. You no go back. You people have been disturbing us. Go that farm where they remove the whole cassava for ground. This man farm. They remove the whole cassava for ground. Okay, see this farm now. See this farm now. Nothing for inside.
Nothing. They just started now.
Nothing for inside now. Bush there that sound now go come up for that. See this farm now. See the way na do. See ah. See the way they chop the corn now. See ah. You see ah. Una see ah. If you climb up this man farm, where it take almost 1.something million take brush, they remove all the cassava for grass. Show on the picture. Show on the video the way we do that day recently. We don't catch the carry go station. They'll go settle there. The other day, they call the busher cow for bush here.
Look, this one on my farm.
You see, huh? You see what that they do?
They root the ground.
So, Bona carry them go. Bona carry them go. Anything where concern cow, not concern us. Now, not be una get cow.
Now when you settle one, no, who are you?
No, you don't see what they do for my farm.
See this corn. See the way they do all of them. See Percy cassava. See, see Percy Gary. You see, huh? This one a Percy farm. See the way they do it. This is Irigo community. This is Irigo community. See what outside the doors. Okay, we not go get where we go farm for our land again. We not go fit farm for our land again. We not get the right to farm for our land again. Don't we have the right to farm for our land again? Mami, ole lodo. Mami, see ya. You see ya? See ya? You see ya? You see ya? So we are here. My man, officer in charge of Irigo community and Agbo Road. Also the commander of all commander in Edo State Police, Vigilante, Headquarters of 5. I'm here presently now. This is my community and also this is my jurisdiction. Look at what they just did to somebody's farm on a daily basis. On a daily basis. The problem is becoming too rampant. Now here you want make noise. Now here you want make noise. Now here you want make noise. You not go make the noises then. Why only you want not do what you want to do since then? So that is the situation on ground now. We have some of their people here who said they are representing them. Come out there. Come on for road. We have some of them here. They said they came because of these people, and we have arrested these Hausa people series of times.
This man come before.
We can't count it. Yes, we have seen him before. We have seen him before. Yes, we have seen him before. So the other day, when they caught, where is that man? Where they caught, use cutlass caught. See, now that in hand because now poisonous substance. Cutlass now they take cotton. This thing don't they go 3 months now. The hand not finished. See where they cotton. They come on Sunday, come kick out for inside bush here. So that make they take and go lay allegation say now we kill the cow. And God can still do and we arrest them. So my brothers, we don't know what to do. Because we are not begging you people. Since it look as if you people are above the law, we can't talk to you, we can't do anything, and we cannot fight you, we cannot harm you. The only thing we will do, we take them to the police. All the damages here in this farm, you people will pay, and you people will write undertaking that you will leave our community. We did not say you should not, that is, you don't have right to travel from one, but How come? Okay, where did you expect this person wey get this farm now?
Àjẹ́ ṣé mọ̀ yí ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè ibẹ̀ ṣé mọ̀ yí ó lágbára ni. Àgbẹ̀wò nínú rẹ̀ á dùn. Àgbẹ̀wò nínú rẹ̀ á dùn tó jìṣẹ́ jìyà tó gbẹ̀gbàdo tó gbẹ̀gẹ́. Tán Fúlàní dẹ̀ kó mọ́lù wọbẹ̀. Tán dẹ̀ ya jẹ gbogbo nǹkan ó gbìn síbẹ̀. Nǹkan àgbẹ̀ ó gbìn. Adẹ̀lá níjọba lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé wá rí iye ní tó wá mọ níwọ̀n o? Bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ náà Fúlàní àwọnú oko ádẹ́tọ̀ pa ẹni tó gbìn gẹ̀dẹ̀, ẹni gbìn gbàdo, ẹni gbẹ̀gẹ́ tó gbìn gbogbo rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbọ̀n bá jẹ gbogbo kinní rẹ̀, lẹ́yìn ìgbọ̀n bá jẹ nǹkan oko rẹ̀ tán ádẹ́tọ̀ pa ẹni hùn. Ìwọ rí fídíò mo tó wá mú wá fún Eyin Eniyan bẹ́ẹ̀ nípa ohun mọ̀mọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú Àkúrẹ́ mọ́ ni o. Ìyẹn nílùú Àkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kùn l'Ondo State. Ìwáyàwó pọ̀n Fúlàní bí wọ́n ṣe pọ̀n àgbẹ̀ lórí wọn gbèsò oko rian tí bọ́n mọ̀lú bí wọ́n ṣe jẹ ẹ̀gẹ́ rian tán jàgbàdo rian tán jẹ gbogbo wọn gbèsò oko wọ́n tó pa àwọn ènìyàn òun sóko kó tó di pé àwọn aráàlú ńgbà wọn rí àwọn ènìyàn mọ́ ní wá lọ sí oko òun ní wá ẹsẹ̀ rókù rian ìwáyàwó fọ́nrán bẹ́ẹ̀.
Fulani ti pààyàn o. Na the person dey tie like this o on top bike o. Fulani don kpai person o for Akure o. Fulani don kpai person for Akure o. Na the person dey tie like this o. Fulani don kpai person o. May I show you the second person wey Fulani don kpai for Akure. Fulani don kpai lọ o. Na the second person be that o on top bike. Na the second person be this o. Na 3 people dey kpai like this once. Igbo ala náà ti pa wọ́n o. Now the second person there is. See the second person. See am. Now they go tell us say this country na joke. See am. Now show you the third person where they don't kpai. Now show you the third person where they don't kpai. See third person. Now the third person dey that side o. Third person wey Fulani don kpai. Now they on top this machine too. They don't put on top this roundabout. Now the third person be this. Now the third person be this. Now the third person be this. And the third person they tie like this. Eniyan like in sharing. Eniyan like in sharing. Roadblock everywhere, blocked.
Ṣerúgbẹ́ ayé afẹ́ agbéniyè bẹ́ẹ̀ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà adẹ̀lá níjọba lórílẹ̀-èdè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí ibi ọlọ́kọ̀ mi wà á lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè 8 year àfikọ́ lọ́rùn Elédùmarè kó gbà ní ìwọ ìmọ̀jẹ̀mí gbà ní lákòókò orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ni wà níbi tá àti mọ̀ mú gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé wá sí etí gbọ̀yìn fáfàní yìí títí subscribe sórí ètò kí n la jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá sí orí ètò fún gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá subscribe sórí rẹ̀ fáfàní yìí títí subscribe sórí ètò ó ní kíní kan bí aago bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ ìléyìnbó pè ní notification bell ìmọ̀ tẹ́ kíní notification bell kí wọ́n notification bell yín sílẹ̀ kíyìn náà kí lè àjàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá sórí ètò fún gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá ìwọ ìmọ̀jẹ̀mí gbà ní lákòókò